The booster function on the MIWE roll-in. This function enables even faster batch-after-batch baking. After creating a baking program, if the start and end temperatures are the same, you can use the booster function, allowing you in one go to open the door, take out the finished product, slide in the next fresh product, close the door and immediately start the next baking program. I will show you now how to use this function perfectly. There are two perfect ways of using and activating the booster function. For the first path in manual mode, the booster is selected via functions. For this program, we have now switched on the booster. The second path is to change it permanently in the baking program. In this case, for Kaiser rolls. Of course, the booster function can also be deactivated. Once it is activated and saved, the booster function is integrated into the program.